In today's video, I'll show you how to make any text, image or icon in Canva clickable. This is perfect for directing your audience to websites or creating interactive designs. Start by opening your Canva project and selecting the element you want to make clickable. Then look to the top right corner of the interface and click the three dots icon to open more options. From the menu, select Link. A field will appear where you can paste your URL. Make sure it's correct so your audience reaches the intended destination. If you want to link to another page within your Canva document instead, there's an option for that as well. Perfect for interactive presentations, eBooks or reports. Once done, click Done to save your link. Don't forget to preview your design to ensure the clickable element works smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, your Canva designs become interactive, engaging, and professional. Happy designing!